I'm delighted to be joined by Dr. Vassilios Psaltis, CEO of Alpha Bank. Could you please tell us about your strategic partnership with UniCredit and its significance for the Greek and Romanian markets?
Well, first of all, I have to say we're delighted for getting this award. It has been 10 years that we did not have it, so it's really an excellent prize for us, and we're very happy we have it again. Our partnership with UniCredit practically has three pillars. The first comprises of the agreement that we have done in order to join forces in Romania to create number 3 in the country. Romania is a great country, demographics are great, it is booming, therefore in order to capture that growth you need size, and this is the very essence of the transaction that we have announced with UniCredit. The second leg of that partnership actually is that UniCredit has taken 10% out of the Hellenic Financial Stability Fund, and that makes them practically our strategic partner, facilitating our full privatization and at the same time also underpinning the cooperation that we have together. And then there is a third very important leg, and this comprises of a commercial partnership. A commercial partnership on which we embarked in areas like, for example, in asset management, where we have an agreement to distribute the one market funds of UniCredit, which is a best-of-breed offering that they are having. Just to give you an idea, we soft-launched it in July, and we launched it officially at the end of October, and already 200 million worth of funds have been purchased by our clients. The other area is in the area of bancassurance. UniCredit is a leader with a 40% market share in Italy as far as unit-linked is concerned. We're joining forces in order to be able to make use of that combined experience that they're having, but also in order to offer that to our clients as we're starting from a fairly low base. But also at the same time, we're doing a whole host of things in the area of wholesale banking, and we are already working together in international syndications, but we have started working on trade finance guarantees, LCs, transfers, factoring, even on broken. So on this whole host of activity, what we have in mind is being able to offer an innovative set of services to our clients.
I also understand that you've been very good on digital innovation, and you've been doing some very interesting things with aiming banking services at families. Can you talk a little bit about that?
We have gone out of a great crisis, as you know, and for a number of years we have not been investing. Therefore, for us, the milestone was back in 2008, where we did a great overhaul of our core banking system, which is now at the very forefront of the technology and is cloud native. That allowed us to build then up a digital factory and also some focused excellence centers for CX and UX, but also in the area of data analytics. So through that, we're bringing more and more innovative products forward. So within that vein, also the so-called My Alpha Vibe is a market-first digital product, which is practically a wallet that the parents can give to their kids. So that means that the parents can reload that remotely whenever they want. They follow each and every transaction that the children are doing. And yes, it has also the ability to not allow for certain things to happen. For example, buying alcohol or betting. Well, I can tell you my teenage son is making great use of that. And already I see him that he starts budgeting for the month, prioritizing his expenses. So that product has won a great deal of awards. And it is part and parcel of what we're trying to achieve in terms of offering in a very simple digital format daily banking services.
And in terms of your strategic partnership with UniCredit going into next year, could you just explain to us what big things you'll be doing there in 2025?
I think we need to put that also in the context that it's not just for retail, as I explained before, and for wholesale, that our wholesale customers get a window to the world as they can seamlessly access the platform that UniCredit is having in 13 countries. It is also, if you would want, a different way of doing alliances, because by having us 10% in Romania and UniCredit having 10% at Alpha Bank, you see what a broad-based cooperation we have launched. And that is different to the normal M&A route that one sees. And at the end of the day, what we want for European banking integration is that these alliances would bring scale in order to mobilize investments into technology and be able to achieve operating efficiencies. So what we have done this year is to fully operationalize this agreement and also making sure that we close the transaction in Romania so that already from 2025 our clients there will be able to see the benefits. Asset management is the one that we've already launched, and now because we have also a great market share in Greece in the affluent and private banking space of 30%, so we are offering that to all of them. A great deal, therefore, of execution needs to happen, but also the joint venture, as I said, in the area of unit-linked products, we expect a lot of that. Therefore, the final bit that we're all focused on is at our corporate customers that are either exporters or have subsidiaries abroad in the relevant jurisdiction where UniCredit is having a presence, that they enjoy a seamless service of all those banking services by having one focal point of contact, which is us, whilst at the same time we're going to be fully plugged into the UniCredit platform, and they will be able to have one-stop shop for everything, replacing all several banking relationships that they have on the ground.
Dr. Vassilios, many thanks for your time and congratulations again.
Well, thank you very much.